Don't tell Mom you're taking your daughter up a mountain in the dark until you get back.
We're on a mountain. We kind of took a really sketchy road up the mountain, and we've only seen one car. Oh, there's a sign. That's a good sign. There's civilization up here.
Gotta go up?
Yes.
I can't even see the road. Here's the road.
Okay, well, that's good.
Yeah, you probably shouldn't do this at 10:49 p.m.
Yeah.
on a foggy night. And there's a flood watch.
And we've never been up this way, so we really don't know what we're doing. Yeah, we're really doing great.
Oh, there's the city.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Oh, yeah.
That's the whole point of coming up here so late at night.
If we can get
The top.
Ruby Falls up here,
I think we're getting closer.
we're getting there. Oh, there she is.
Wow, it's over here. So, this side is the city, and then, but you can't really see it. And then here is Ruby Falls. We were here, I think, almost exact 4 years ago. I don't know. Mountain. Here we go. People here? Right to me. There's the city. Let's explore it. Oh wow, that's pretty.
Actually, you can see the Publix.
I do see the Publix. I see the green sign.
Yeah. It's kind of funny.
There is the city overlooking from the mountain, and then right there, or that's already there. Somewhere down there is Publix that we can see.
Let's see. That green dot.
Publix.
Yeah, read it.
Let's get down there tomorrow, probably.
The city
Lookout
is
Mountain,
so
down
pretty
there.
at night from the side of Lookout Mountain.
It's Chattanooga. We're halfway up the mountain. You can kind of see the rain dropping down.
Here's a better view of Publix at the base of Lookout Mountain. The next morning, we took a hike to Sunset Rock.
If you listen in the background, there's a train. We're descending down this rock
Sketchy.
path that's wet because we're under a flood watch. That's
I
okay.
want to see a really pretty view. So,
We'll see you at Sunset Rock.
Easy does it.
So we're on Sunset Rock. Way down there is a river that you can't even see. There's train tracks. They were going choo-choo earlier. Yeah. Pull out your compass, kid. Yeah. What's our elevation?
We are 1,910 feet.
Let's see it. Nice.
And Daddy's scared.
In the mountains of Tennessee.
Now we have to climb back up the trail
Up
to
the
get to the
mountain.
Babs Mobile.
Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Never do this when it's dry. You gotta wait until it's wet. Like today. It's the best time to try climbing up a steep rock mountain.